Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials now: a verified Shopee account, linked payment, and a focused product list. First, open the affiliate portal and complete your profile so Shopee can approve you quickly. Once done, apply to the affiliate program and submit 3-5 product links you'll promote. This speeds approval and shows intent. Make sure to write short promo copy for each item so you can start sharing immediately after approval. That's your first actionable push toward earning. Now set up tracking and content. Generate affiliate links and confirm tracking parameters to measure clicks and conversions. Next, pick promotion channels. Short video works for conversion, while blog posts build trust. Choose what your audience uses. Create content with a 3-second hook, clear benefits, and a direct CTA that tells people to click the link. Once done, schedule posts around peak engagement hours and monitor link performance so you can optimize quickly for higher conversions. Finish by optimizing and protecting your earnings. Regularly check conversions, CTR, and commissions. Pause low performers and scale what converts. Once you identify winners, increase frequency and expand to similar products. Make sure to /B test thumbnails and CTAs to squeeze more conversions from the same traffic. If something breaks, like a dead link or missing commission, regenerate the affiliate link, clear cache, check your approval status, and contact Shopee support as a last step to resolve payment or tracking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.